I think the ultimate test is obviously a steak. So let's grill a steak. And for that, I want to get on the highest setting. So I'm going to use this diffuser plate, and I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to put this rack on top of that, and then I'm going to put the grill grate on top of that. This grate's seen probably a dozen cooks so far. That's how nicely it cleans up. So in we go. Now we're going to turn it on to broil. And I'm going to give it 20 minutes because we want to give it a good, actually I'm going to give it 25. We're going to give it about 7 or 8 minutes of preheat, and off we go. The winningest man in steak cook-offs, Johnny Joseph. That. Do that. And I like to kind of go around and gunk up the sides a little bit with what I spilled. All right, so we've been a full 10 minutes. So we've preheated our Sear'NSizzle grate. I'm just going to take a quick peek here. 472, lovely. Let's grill some steaks. Get a little contact with all the rails. Shut her down. All right, time to turn these things, I think. I like what I see on top. Oh, look at that, we're starting to get some sear already. Yep, very nice. I won't temp, let's go right back down. Close. Beautiful. Nice, we're gonna get a flip out of them. It said 45 seconds, I think we need to check. Yep. Off they come. You know, you can see all that sizzle is added flavor. Sear, sizzle. Pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. And that's so pretty. That's pretty. Bumper to bumper. Beautiful browning and searing. Maillard reaction is on point. Wow. I gotta have one. We gotta. It's one of those Coke and Pepsi things where you could probably bet people that you didn't grill that outside. I've never grilled a steak inside without setting off the smoke alarm before either.